Hello and welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we will learn Python data class builders, the @Dataclass decorator, NamedTuple, field options, post_init validation, and when to use each approach. These patterns are essential for writing clean, maintainable Python code. The @Dataclass decorator is Python's built-in way to create structured classes. You annotate fields with types like name:str, age:"int. Python auto-generates __init___repr__, and __ic__ from these annotations. You can set default values just like function parameters. This eliminates pages of boilerplate code. Typing.NamedTuple creates immutable record types. Your class inherits from NamedTuple and defines fields with type annotations. The result is a tuple subclass. You can use index axes like p_0 or named axes like px_asterisk converts it to an ordered dict, and _replace creates a copy with changes. The field function gives fine control over individual fields. Default _factory equals list avoids the mutable default argument trap. repr equals false hides a field from the printed representation. Compare equals false excludes a field from equality checks. init equals false means the field is set in post_init, not in the constructor. The __post_init__ method runs right after the generated __init__. Use it for validation, for example, raise value error if age is negative. You can also compute derived fields like full_name from first and last. Since __init__ has already run, all fields are available inside post_init. Let's compare the three approaches. @Dataclass is mutable, supports methods, type-checked, and with slots is equal to true saves memory. NamedTuple is immutable, supports tuple operations, and is very lightweight. Plain dict has no structure and no IDE autocomplete but is the most flexible. For most cases, use @Dataclass. For immutable records, use NamedTuple.
Let's create a coordinate data class. @Dataclass, class coordinate with x:float and y:float. We add a distance method that returns the square root of x² plus y². Coordinate 3.0, 4.0. Distance gives 5.0. Notice we got __init__ and __repr_ for free. Now a frozen data class. @Dataclass with frozen is equal to true, class color with R, G, B integers. Create C equals color to 55, 0, 0. If we try C.A equals 128, Python raises frozen instance error. Frozen data classes are truly immutable, great for value objects and dict keys. NamedTuple for records. Class city extends NamedTuple with name:*str and population:*int. Delhi equals city, Delhi, 32 million. Delhi {0} gives Delhi, and Delhi.name also gives Delhi. Both index-based and name-based access work because it's a tuple subclass. Pattern matching with data classes, a Python 3.10 feature. Match shape, case circle with R equals R, compute area as pi r squared. Case rect with W and H, Compute area as W times H matchcase destructures Dataclass fields automatically. This makes dispatch based on data shape clean and readable.
Key tips to remember. Use @Dataclass for most structured data. It replaces boilerplate. Always use field default _factory for mutable defaults, never a bare list. Frozen is equal to true plus slots is equal to true gives immutability and memory savings. NamedTuple is best when you need tuple unpacking with named fields. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.